Highly welcome to my channel once again today. Real quick guys, today I am going to share with you guys another powerful strategy that you guys are going to use to milk this volatility 75 and also trade our newly added boom and crash 300. All right, so I promised you guys that whenever I come across something that is working perfectly fine, that I'm going to share with you guys here, so that you guys will also try it out in your own end and see how it works for you. All right, so I believe if it is working for me, it's going to work for you properly, and so far you follow my instructions. All right, so with that being said, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, or if today is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself. My name is Olites from globalfx, and what I do here is that whenever I try and test something new, I come to this channel and share with you guys, so that you guys will use it to help yourselves out there, try it out on your own way, and see how it works. And if it works perfectly for me, it's going to work for you as well. All right, so that is it guys. And if you like to be receiving valuable content like this anytime or every time that I upload something like this, I want you to do me that favor and smash that like button, and also turn on your notification bell, so that YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I upload valuable content like this. All right, so with that being said guys, let's dive into the video. Let me share with you guys how this strategy really works. As you can see it vividly here, what we are seeing here is some things that many people are not ready to share with you guys, but I promised you guys that I will definitely share everything with you guys here. And one more thing before we proceed, if you actually really want me to mentor you on how to trade synthetic indices, please, all right, I want you guys to really do yourself that favor by doing the right thing. All right, it is not by force to enroll on mentorship program. Whatever strategy that you are looking for that you did not find here on my channel as per the time you are watching this video, it means that particular information is premium. That particular information is exclusive. All right, you have to pay for it. All of us that are trading and making profit today, we paid for what we are earning today. All right, there is no way you'll be expecting to make millions of naira or make millions of dollars trading, whereas you refuse to do the normal thing. All right, so let's not just be greedy about this. All right, stop asking me can you give me a free strategy to do this and do that. I do not sell strategy. I can only mentor you and teach you how to do it yourself. Get the strategy by yourself. I will teach you how to do that. So if you want me to teach you and put you through on how to do that successfully, contact me in the description of this video. My WhatsApp number will be in the description of this video. Let me know and I will definitely do all I can to assist you. All right, so with that being said, let's dive into the video once again, and let me share with you how this particular tools work. When you look at this particular level here, you will see there is no level here that excuse me, there is no level here that you guys are gonna check out for. All right, you can only look out for this particular level here, and this. But this particular red and blue here, there is nothing like level there. All right, and these two things that I mentioned just now, this red and blue, is our envelope. All right, so I am going to share with you guys the settings, so that you are going to set your own screen exactly the way my screen is looking like, and you are going to achieve the same result that I've achieved with this. All right, so now this is how it works. Whenever you see this, and the zoom level that you are going to use with this strategy that will work perfectly fine for you is just you zoom out completely. All right, you zoom out completely. You can see that from my screen here. I zoomed out completely. And when you zoom out completely, you do not need to shift your chart, like shift your chart this way, like do chart like this. Whenever you shift chart, you see all these places. All right, you see all these places. All these places are fake signals. But when you shift your chart, you'll be able to see something like. But when you stand your chart, as in you let your chart stay on a default mode, you'll be able to get the real signal, which is something like this, and there's something like this. All right, this particular place here, when you look at this, you will see the exact what we are looking for. And when you look at this particular one here, which is this, we understand what exactly we are looking out for. You see that? So when you move your chart, all right, when you shift your chart, you will not be able to get that correctly. All right, probably you will not meet up with this. You will not get that. You can only get this, but you will not get this. So that is what I'm saying. So allow your chart to stay on a default mode. When you'll be able to allow your chart stay on a default mode, that is when you'll be able to utilize this strategy properly. All right, so whenever you see something like this, guys, whenever you see something like this, as soon as you spot that this all this our line has reversed from this blue line here, you wait patiently, guys. Do not just jump into trade. Wait patiently until it crosses this our blue line here, which is our level 82 here. Once it crosses this our level 82, you are free to take your trade. Where you are going to TP, for me, I am going to TP at this level here. But for you as a new beginner, or for you that have not known how this strategy works, I advise you TP at this our level 50 here. All right, so this is volatility 75, guys. And whenever you take at least 4 or 5 candlesticks, or let me say 2 to 3 candlesticks, guys, you have made a lot of money depending on your lot size. All right, when you look at this again, you see the reversal at the red line here, and you wait patiently for this market to cross our level 18. Once this market crosses our level 18, which you can attest to that here, from here, yes, perfectly fine. It started going up from this our level or our red line here, but we are not going to jump into trade, guys. We have to wait patiently for the trade to reconfirm to us that this is a real uptrend. That is, when it crosses this our level 18 here, that is when we are going to open our position with TP at level 50. But if you are a professional and you actually know what you are doing, you roll it down to the blue line. But if you are not a professional, you're a newbie, you're following my instruction, please, when you open your position at this level 18 here, you TP at level 50. This is volatility, as I said earlier. Even if you are trading boom and crash, guys, you are going to make a lot of money, because of the new boom 300 and crash 300 moves very, very fast, guys. It moves very, very fast. So I want every one of you to capitalize on this, and then make sure you make a lot of money for yourselves. So I am not supposed to share this strategy with any one of you guys, but I just got to stick with my promise, guys. So when you see something like this, look at it. There are many opportunities here, and as you can see that I'm using 5-minute time frame. Before you start trading on this 5 minutes /1, because when I cross-check all my trend line and all my analysis on 1 hour time frame, I break it down to 30 minutes time frame, and from 30 minutes time frame, I check what 15 minutes time frame is telling me, and from 15 minutes time frame I drop down to 5 minutes time frame. I normally open my position on 1 minute time frame for the sake of what I am seeing on the chart. All right, so how does this really works? The way this actually works is this. Whenever I check, let's take for instance I use this tool. All right, let me take for instance I use this tool to mark this place and mark this place. All right, sorry about that. I mark this place as well. All right, so if I mark these 2 places, guys, on 5 minutes time frame, this is 5 minutes time frame. Let me verify if I can see something like this, like if I can see the same structure on 1 minute time frame. This particular structure, if I can see it on 1 minute time frame, it means I am free to open a position on buy, that is towards buy, because what we are seeing here is towards buy. This signal is a buy signal. So if we are able to spot something like this on 1 minute time frame, it means we are confident and we are fully the strategy has been fully confirmed that we are able to take our trade on 1 minute on buy. All right, so let's check 1 minute time frame. Let's look for the place that we marked on 1 minute time frame. Okay, all right, look at it. That is, it is free, guys. All right, that is why I said you should allow your chart be on a default mode, guys. Once your chart is on a default mode, that you do not shift your chart from one place to another, you'll be able to get a correct and confirmed signals. So when your chart is on a normal and a confirmed mode, that is what you are going to achieve. Now you can see that we marked this position, this place on 5 minute time frame as buy, and when we fall back to our 1 minute time frame, we also spot it as buy. That is to say, when we fall back, when we analyze our time frame and get to 5 minute time frame, and we think of taking our trade, for us to have a lower drawback, guys, you have to fall back to your 1 minute time frame and see the movement of that same analysis that you have done. If the analysis is telling you the same thing, guys, that is when you are entitled to open your position. So as you can see from this particular one, you are entitled to open your buy position here, and you will have a lower drawdown. All right, so that is it, guys. If you love content like this and want to be receiving content like this, guys, I want you to do me that favor and smash that like button, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload content like this, guys, you'll be able to receive a notification that I've done that. So you can see what I'm saying here. Look at it here. This is the current market structure. All right, when you look at this, okay, let's just mark this. All right, let's just mark this to do the last sample here. You can see that this market here seems like it's dropping a little bit. Like this market is dropping a little bit. Now let's go to 1 minute time frame and see. Can you see that, guys? So that is what I'm saying. You can sell from this market, and when it gets to this zone, you exit. All right, when it gets to this particular zone here, you exit, which is here. All right, which is here. So that is how this strategy really will chart completely. And do not try to be smart and do things your own way, guys. All right, do not try to be smart and do things your own way. So if you want more of this, and you want me to mentor you on how to trade this successfully, as I said earlier on, guys, you know what to do. Contact me in the description of this video. My WhatsApp number will be there. And before we forget, let's just check boom 300 and see what boom 300 has to offer. This is boom 300, guys. As you can see at this junction, this boom 300 is consolidating at this zone. All right, so you must wait for the breakout of this for you to know the actual movement of this. But for me, if you look at this place, there is nothing that will stop this market from not getting to this level. All right, so but you cannot just jump into the trade that way, because you are trading against the default movement right now. So what you need to do is you wait, go to 1 minute time frame to cross check this. You can see this in 1 minute time frame. You can still have that opportunity to sell. Right, you sell to this zone before the spike will start happening. I don't know whether you understand. That is how it works. Now on our 5 minute time frame, we have seen that this market is supposed to be buying. All right, but for you to be on a safer side, if you open for spikes for this place, guys, you will not get enough spikes. So rather, you will the market will still continue going on a default movement, which is you need to go back to 5 minute time. Whenever you spot something like this on 5 minute time frame, you go to 1 minute time frame, and you can see it perfectly here. You can see that the market has started coming down. All right, so before the spike will start happening, the real spike will start happening, it must have gotten to this zone. All right, it must have gotten to this zone, and that is when the real spike will start happening, which will lead to this zone. So that is it, guys. Now let's go back to the settings. Let me share the settings with you guys. You click on this F icon here. All right, you click on this F icon here. Once you click on the F icon, the first indicator to be added is our RSI here. Once you click on the RSI, the period is 1, apply to close, styles 3 pixel, the color of your background. The levels, we have level 50, 82 and 18. All right, this is where you add the levels. When you click on that pencil icon, it will open to the next page, and then once the next page opens, you input these digits. Then you go back, you click done, sorry, then you go back to the F icon again. To go back to the F icon, you add our moving average. The first moving average to be added, the period is 21, shift is 0, method linear weight, apply to weighted close. Styles 4 pixel, I used red color. You can use color of your choice. There is no level. You click on, you go back to the F icon again, you add the second moving average. The period is 11, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to typical price. Styles 4 pixel, I used black color. You can use color of your choice, and click on. There is no level. And you go back to the F icon again, you add the last indicator, which is our envelope. The period is 21, shift is 0, deviation is 2000.000. Method linear weight, apply to typical price. Styles upper band 4 pixel, I used pink color. Lower band, I used red color. There is no level, guys. You click done. All right, so that is it. Just make sure you follow my instructions and set your screen exactly the way you see my own screen. And if you do not understand anything, guys, do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section. And also I will appreciate if you guys will suggest another video or the type of content that you really want me to upload in my next video. Probably the way that you want, or the kind of strategy that you want me to upload, so that I will do everything possible and make sure that you guys are following up what we have been learning. All right, so if you do not understand anything, as I said earlier on, do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section, and I will try everything possible to put you through in anywhere that you are getting it all wrong. So that is it, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.